Hey guys and girls, this video is not going to be any informational video and not the advising video. This video is going to be a full live demo session that I'm going to write an ebook and complete it within the minutes, right? So for that I'm going to teach you the what topic I'm going to pick and how I'm going to write and how I'm going to outline the book. Everything you will learn in this video itself. For that I'm going to use some private AI writing tool that also I'm revealing in this video. Okay, are you excited? Come on, let's jump into that video. Okay, so while writing the ebook, always I am targeting any one of the affiliate product inside that ebook. So in this case, I am taking this particular affiliate product from the Clickbank. It's a vid bullet. So it providing me that 75% of commissions and I can earn up to $500 in a single sale, and it has a recurring commission and it's coming from Chris Munch. He is the super affiliate in my point of view, right? So I'm taking this book. So for that what I will do, I just scan the sales page of this vid bullet. Okay, so this is the sales page of the vid bullet. So here, using this, now I wanted to write some ebook, right? So I understand this particular vid bullet is going to solve the professional looking marketing videos. How it will going to solve to create the marketing videos, video ads, viral clips and more in less than 5 minutes with guided automation, right? So now I'm going to write some ebook for that. So for that what I am going to use, I'm just going to use that Peppertype AI. It's my favorite AI tool. I have given the link down below this video. You can also take this particular AI tool and follow me along with this video, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I just copy this particular statement from this vid bullet sales page and come back to my Pepper AI, and in the search bar I'm just type the blog and it's coming me that blog ideas, blog conclusion, blog outline, blog intro and blog header expander. I'm just taking this blog ideas and name it the project as vid bullet offer and just paste the statement that I copied from my vid bullet sales page, right? And just click the create content, and in a few seconds it will give me that 11 blog ideas for vid bullet offer. So how to use video to boost your business, a blog about video marketing strategies, a comparison between vid bullet and a similar technology, an interview with the founder or creator of vid bullet, if a picture is worth 1,000 vid bullet, how to create a high quality videos in minutes, a detailed walkthrough of the process from start to finish, a vid bullet review, how to make a viral video, a blog around secrets of viral making video. Okay, so out of 11 I am just taking this. So here you just use your intuition to picking the right title, right? So I'm going to use this title, how to use video to boost your business. Okay, so I'm just save this, just click this note, right, and paste to note. Then this thing is coming here. What I do, I'm going to write the book, right? So I just change this book about, oh sorry, yeah, book about video marketing strategies, and I copy this. If you want to change this as heading 1, make it heading 1, heading 1, and again I'm just go back to the home. Now I want the outlines, so for that also just click the blog and choose the blog outline. So here again it's a with bullet offer, and this time just paste this topic. So the topic what we have picked, right? So how to use video to boost your business, a book about video marketing strategies. Click the create content, and in a few minutes it will give you that different blog outline, right? So you can see here also just spend some times to read this and pick the right uh, subheadings for your book. So how can you use video to boost your business? 5 video marketing strategies for small business, video marketing for owners. What I do, I just simply click this notes and just paste it to the notes, and paste this also into the notes, paste this and paste this. All of this I am pasting here, and edit, delete the unwanted headings in this. Okay, so after I spent 5 to 10 minutes, so I concluded these are all my book subheading. Now I need to write few paragraphs for each of the subheading, and I need to write the conclusion about this and also the introduction. Okay, so for that I'm just going to use again that same Peppertype. This time here I just use this paragraph writer. Okay, I pick this again, give the project name as with bullets offer, and the first thing is I need to write the introduction, right? So for that what I am going to use, I just use this heading for the introduction, paste this, click the create content, and that content will create. Meantime what I do, I just do some changes on here. I just pick all this as heading 2, right? I pick all this as heading 2, and inside the introduction I'm going to paste this. If you are looking for a ways to boost your business with video, this book is for you. It covers everything from video marketing strategies to create engaging videos that will capture your audience attention. You will learn how to use video to promote your products or services, drive traffic to your website. Okay, this particular paragraph is something matched with my heading, so I'm going to use this. Just click the paste to note, and it has pasted here. I just copy it and paste it under the introduction, right? Then my second thing is I need to write, if you want to expand something, you want to write few more paragraphs, just click create more outputs, then it will give you more paragraph. Okay, so this is okay. In order to use video to boost your business, you need to first understand what video marketing is. There are okay, so this particular statement seems to be good. I'm going to use this instead of this, right? So I copy all, cut and paste inside this. Paste inside this. Okay, so sales, audience, something is just formatting, right? Okay, So that introduction is complete. What next? We need to write the paragraph for all of this. What is video marketing? So for that I copy this and go to edit details and just change my heading as what is video marketing. Click create content. It is writing for me. So now it's writing. Video marketing is the process of using online videos to promote and market your business or product. It can be an extremely effective way to reach and engage your target audience and can be used. So when used effectively, video marketing can be highly effective and powerful tool to reach your target audience. It can help to build the trust and credibility. Okay, so this content I am going to use, so I am just simply copy this and paste under this particular subheading. Okay, so likewise I'm going to write the 2 to 3 paragraphs under each subheading topics, so you understand how we need to write that, right? So I'm just pausing this to save your time and write all of this heading right now. Okay, so now I completed my ebook. You see here it has the title, introduction, and the subheading is what is video marketing with the 2 paragraph and why video is so effective. Under it the 2 paragraph is there. How can video boost your marketing and who could use video in their marketing. It has the bullet points too, and how can you use video to boost your business. It also have that 4 bullet points, and what type of videos should you use. There are many factors to consider. This is the 2 paragraphs are there, and how to design a video to your business, and 5 video marketing strategies for small businesses also, and finally the conclusion, right? So this is the one complete ebook that I have written. For the whole ebook it took me only 15 minutes with the help of my Peppertype AI tool, right? Now the ebook is ready, but in the ebook anywhere we didn't mention our affiliate product, right? So here that our affiliate product is with bullet, right? So now we wanted to write few more blog heading or subheading which is talking about the with bullet features, right? So let me do right away. I just copied the content from Peppertype AI to my Google Doc because before I added or while I am adding the content for my affiliate product, it may require to add images. I cannot add inside the Peppertype AI. That's why I copied my content into the Google Doc. Okay, fine. So this is the content I copied, right? So our affiliate product, you remembered I just picked this particular product. So with bullet, this is just the video making software to create the video ads, marketing videos and viral clips, etc., right? It will reduce the time to create the video, and also at the same time it will produce you the well engaged and high quality video. So this is the solution for the video makers, right? So what we did, we want to add that affiliate link strategically in any of the places of the content we have written, right? So in this case you need to just scan through where that affiliate product content will fit. So in this case for me it will fit in this section, how to design a video for your business. So I already written some paragraphs, so it is showing how you can design the video, and when you design the very good video, what are all the attributes you need to taken care, everything is explained here. So at the second paragraph I can write the content which is talk about my vid bullet. Okay, so for that I just scan through this sales page of the vid bullet, and I'm just using this. What is a vid bullet? Did you ever notice the biggest media outlets on the planet have a certain style to their video content? Okay, so this is the style. I may use this image. For that I just copy and put this on my page, right? And come back again here. I can use this same. I can use this same text here. Put it on here. I don't want this format, so I simply change this as normal text, right? And use this also. I use everything. Pasted it and change the format as normal text. This also the formatted normal text, but it's Arial 11, right? So font size should be 11. Okay, so now I added the format. So then I ask the end user the question, how we may create a video like this in a minutes. Please check it out. Then you just put the hyperlink and put our affiliate link here, right? Affiliate link, apply. So I just put hash. So that's it. So in this way you can add your affiliate link for the particular product strategically inside your ebook.